Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A5. The first thing you need to do is make sure your Bluetooth is switched on. Then we're watching out for it at the bottom. From any screen, there you go, from sat-nav, you can click telephone. If you've no phones paired already, or if somebody else is in the car, it will probably automatically pick theirs up. But here we go, search for new mobile phone, or you can do it another way. You can go into the menu, navigate to telephone, to your highlight telephone there, click on telephone, and then the same screen comes up. So we're watching out at the bottom here. Search for new phone, mobile phone is highlighted. Click, select, then please check that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile. Well, it is, so we'll continue. It's now looking, it's already brought the phone up here. I'm going to wait for it to find my phone on the audio system. It's found it on my phone's found the audio system. I'm going to wait for the audio system to find my phone too, because if you do it too quickly, sometimes it doesn't connect, and then there you go. Then you have to start all over again. So it's found my phone, so I'll click on that. Click there. Hands-free. The connection's been established. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Does this pin match the pin on your Bluetooth device? Yes, it does. So click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Yeah, click allow. Connection's been established. Bluetooth connection has been established. So we'll look at the top there. That's in the car I was doing yesterday, an Audi A1, but that's the one in this car. So that's connected.